Hello, today's tutorial will cover adding a new member into QuikCheK, basically name, address, and phone number. Once you log in, you're going to click on the Members button in the top right, and that takes you to the member screen where you will see a list of members on the right side of the screen, basically everyone in your entire database. To add a new member, on the left, just click the Add Member button. A new screen will come up that displays some fields that you can enter for the new member you're adding. And let's put in, I like to do Jerry Seinfeld or Julia Roberts or Mickey Mouse. Let's go with, how about Bill Gates? There's a good one. Use your tab key to go from field to field. That's the easiest way to move around. You shouldn't have to grab your mouse to click and then type, and then grab your mouse to click in the next field and type. Just press the tab key to the left of the letter Q. That'll move across the board from field to field. The blue fields are highlighted, and that's because they are the minimum required fields. I'm going to go ahead and fill in everything. I'm going to tab, actually while I'm typing in the last name, you can see a little drop down window comes up down here, and it's highlighting Michael Gates. What it's doing is it's searching the database to see if this person already exists in your database. Okay, that way you don't do any duplicate entry. I'm just going to go ahead and tab out of that because I don't see a Bill Gates in the list, and let's put him at 55 Main Street. And the city and state do not get filled in. In the zip code field, you're going to put in whatever the zip code is for the city, and let's do 98564. And when I press tab, it'll either fill in the city and state, or if it's not already in the database, it will prompt you to put in the city and state that are connected to that. And let's say Los Angeles. Actually, I think he's in Cupertino, California, or is he in? He's in Seattle, right? But we're going to make him in Cupertino, California right now. In the home phone field, if I type in a bunch of numbers, you see it only takes 7 numbers. I'm going to tab over to work number. Now, all phone numbers work the same. If I start with my space bar, that'll begin a parentheses. Now it knows that I'm going to enter in an area code, so it will let me enter in 10 digits. So I'm going to tab over, cell phone, space bar, and I can type in 10 digits. For email, we'll do bg@microsoft.com. And category and subcategory defaults to what you have it set up, but let's choose family for Mr. Gates. Sources, how they heard about the facility. Let's say radio. Member number, I recommend you leave that at 0. Don't touch that. That will just auto-increment by itself. At this point, you can select who the sales rep is. It'll default to you, whoever's doing the data entry. The barcode field, you can type that in if you have a key tag handy, and I'm going to pull one out right now, and I have a number of 26511. You could do that later if you want also. Date of birth, month, day, year. Let's do 1959. Mail, social security number, self-explanatory, emergency contact. Let's say Joan Gates. Phone number here, same as before. Press your space bar to begin with an area code. I'm going to put in spouse. I'm just going to fix this over here. Physician phone, you can fill in employer info, employee, company phone. Most of you will not see this access start and end date, so don't worry about that right now. When you click save, it will, I have this set to ask me what the next number is. Normally it'll just assign the next number. You won't see this pop-up window. Bill Gates is on my screen, member number 23. If I need to edit or change any of his information or add more fields, fill in more fields that were not filled in already, I can click Edit Member, and I could say for trainer, his trainer is Laura. On the Personal tab, I can fill in more information, driver's license number, other phone number. On the More Info tab, you can say referred by, let's say, Lucretia Clark, and you could fill in notes, medical information, whatever you need. When you are done, click Save. That's how you add a member record. We'll get to adding start and end dates in the next lesson. If you need to watch this in full screen, you can right-click in the middle of your screen and choose Full Screen View, or press Alt-Enter on your keyboard. Have a great day.